Hello everyone, today we're testing Resparked Customizer Engraving Pen, a handheld tool that promises to engrave metal, wood, glass, and more. But the key question is, does it actually work, especially for beginners? Let's find out. So the Resparked Customizer Engraving Pen is marketed as a portable, easy-to-use tool that lets you engrave text, designs, logos, or personalization on surfaces like metal jewelry, keys, wood, glass, ceramics, and even plastic. It's often advertised with interchangeable tips, adjustable power, and compact size, ideal for hobbies, DIY gifts, or small craft businesses. Sounds great, but how does this perform in real life? In actual use, performance varies by material and technique. For wood and soft materials, it works very well. You can carve letters and simple designs with relative ease, as the softer surface engraves cleanly and consistently, perfect for nameplates or wooden gifts. Leather and soft metals like aluminum and tin. With patience and a steady hand, you can create shallow inscriptions. It's not lightning fast, but it does have a visible mark. Hard metals like steel, stainless steel, and titanium have mixed results. On thin or soft alloys, it might scratch or faintly mark, but on true hard steels, it struggles to make a clear, deep engraving unless you apply significant pressure and slow work. Glass and ceramics, it can work, but engraving looks imperfect unless you go very slowly with the right tip, and even then, the finish isn't as crisp as a dedicated rotary tool with diamond bits. So yes, it can engrave, but the quality depends on material, speed, and tips used. A few other things to know. Build quality, lightweight and portable, easy for beginners and hobbyists. It has adjustable tips. Multiple engraving bits help adapt for different surfaces. Speed and control. Variable speed helps, but even at higher settings, it's not laser sharp precision. Think craft grade, not industrial. Power and battery. Some versions are corded, others rely on battery power. Battery models can feel less punchy on hard materials. For casual, occasional engraving tasks, it's intuitive. For professional use or deep, uniform etching, you may want a more robust tool. Some of its pros: it's great for wood, soft metals, leather, and plastic, portable and beginner-friendly, and affordable compared to rotary tools. However, it's not ideal for hard materials or fine detail engraving. Takes patience and steady hand for crisp results, and not a replacement for high-end engraving machines. So does the Respark Customizer Engraving Pen actually work? Yes, on wood, leather, soft materials, and casual projects. But on hard materials or precision work, it's limited and requires patience. Bottom line, it's a good starter engraving tool for beginners and hobbyists. Just don't expect laser level precision or industrial performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.